So we're done unboxing the first two items, guys. So ito naman yung guys yung pang last natin na item. Ito yung webcam. Alright, so this is the webcam. By the way, guys, I will also be sharing comparison between Supremo and ROG webcam or ROGI because I also purchased ROGI pero hindi pa siya dumating. So this one is a Supremo Full HD 1080p webcam black. So unbox natin. Alright. So the reason we purchased this one, guys, is for our cousin. So nag-order siya ng webcam. So nabili natin to sa 700 pesos lang. Okay? So ito na siya, guys, naka-bubble wrap. Yan. Naka-bubble wrap siya. Okay. So yung bubble wrap niya talagang malinis. So bubble wrap na lang yan sa akin. So we will test this one, guys, to see the quality. And for now, we will just compare it sa Huawei's Y7P. Itong ginagamit natin ngayon. Ano yan? 48MP. Alright, 48 megapixel. This one, guys, is marketed as 1080p webcam. At meron siyang 2 megapixels. Alright. So 30 FPS frames per second. Meron siyang 80 degrees viewing angle. Alright. Meron siyang built-in microphone. Check ko lang, ha. Yan. Meron siyang built-in microphone. As I've mentioned, full HD na siya. And 1.2 meter cable length. Meron siyang resolution na 2 megapixels and then 920 by 1080 pixels. Ang interface niya, guys, is USB 2.0. Alright. So we will unbox this one. Alright. So pause muna ako kasi kukunan ko lang siya ng picture. Alright, guys, so this is the Supremo Full HD webcam. Auto image optimization, integrated microphone, premium glass lens, drop resistant. So 1920 by 1080. And then the megapixel niya, guys, is 2MP. Alright. Compatible with Windows 10, Windows 7, Mac OS, Windows 8. So, mayroon siyang noise reduction. Alright. For the built-in microphone. Resolution 1920 by 1080p. USB plug and play 2.0. And so we will be unboxing it. Okay. And we will test. Alright. Okay. So we're back. Ito na, guys. So we will unbox the item and then we will compare it to our Huawei 7 Y7P pala. Hindi talaga po maganda mag-pronounce ng Huawei. Okay, so yan na, guys. Straight from the box. Let me check. Okay, straight from the box. Meron na siyang konting papel. Okay, so na-remove ko na yung papel. Ito na siya, guys. Malaki siya compare sa ROG based on reviews. So nakita ko yung mga reviews nito, guys. Ito yung actual webcam. Ito yung USB 2.0. Yan. Kita ko na sa inyo. 2.0. Yan. Ito yung camera, mayroon siyang parang konting ano pa dito, protection for the webcam. So kunin mo lang natin yan. Okay guys, so we are back. So we are now testing the Supremo 1080p webcam. So ngayon guys, as you can see, maganda yung yung background, yung lighting natin kasi we're using a ring light. So if you turn off the ring light, yan yung room light. Okay. So makikita mo guys, medyo may circle siya. It's because of the light reflection. Guys, pakita guys, Beb, pakita off mo yung Beb, yung room light. Mawawala yan, manotice nyo guys, mawawala yung circle na yan. Yan. So ito na yun ngayon guys, yung ring light natin. So sa ring light natin meron tayong different modes. Meron tayong warm, pinaka warm, at yung white light. So as you can see guys, ito yung niya, yung parang quality niya na. So if gusto mong i-adjust siya, yan, going left, yan, parang nagba-blur siya, DSLR. Sa right side naman, ganon din. So meron siyang parang napakita ko sa kanina sa inyo na meron siyang adjustment, manual adjustment. Okay, so i-adjust ko siya to the bright, to the crispiest image, crispy, o parang pinaka, yan. So ngayon yan guys yung niya, quality. Alright, so far you like it guys. If you like this video, you subscribe, you click or you like the video and you subscribe, and then you share the video. Yan. So kung room light lang yun guys, wala kayong, if it happens na wala kayong ring light, ito yung gawin nyo. If wala kayong ring light guys, ang gagawin nyo lang is turn off yung mga light. If wala kayong ring light, ang gagawin nyo guys is you put yourself sa area na mayroong illumination. Ay, parang yung light naka-focus sa face nyo. So if room light lang yung gamit nyo, ngayon I'm using the room light. So at least maliwanag yung dito sa face nyo kasi para maganda yung image nyo. If you are teaching, if you are conferencing, so okay, yan guys. Alright, so meron din siyang microphone na built-in, so you don't need an extra microphone. Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the unboxing, and as I mentioned earlier, ito yung pinaka-affordable, around 700. If mag-promo pa, makukuha mo pa siya ng less price. Yung next na camera, if you are really looking for HD, most of the vloggers and most of the reviews na nakita ko sa YouTube is they recommend Logitech C920 around 4,000 plus, and then the C922 around 5,000 plus. But I am waiting or hoping na you can buy an ROGI kasi ROG yung laptop natin. So ROGI is around 2,900 or makukuha pa siya ng less if may promos. So around 3,000 sa pag normal price. Sa iba binibenta nila around 4,000, but you just have to be guys, be patient and masipag lang kayo maghanap ng mga listings na affordable. So I will just provide the link for our shop. You can order any items guys from our shop, Junit Sanova or Joe Store, and we will place the order for you. And if you will be the one to order guys, we will match your price and much lesser than that. So bigyan namin kayo ng discount at free delivery. Alright. So thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.